Everybody, Larry here with MarineMax in Jacksonville, and today we're going to talk about this beautiful, newly redesigned 2025 270 SDX from Sea Ray. Great boat for the family. It's yacht certified. It's a beautiful cockpit loaded with features. And we're going to start here at the power plant, which is the Mercury 300 horsepower V8 Verado with auto trim, power steering, digital shift. It's a real pleasure to drive. One of the things we're going to go over in this boat is how many cup holders we have throughout. There's 15 cup holders on this boat, starting with 2 in the back, right next to the remote control for the stereo, and there's also a pull-out shower on the transom. As we come into the cockpit, you're going to see this great roomy area, plenty of seating for everybody, and this boat has a total of 4 wireless phone chargers. We've got one here on the starboard, 2 over here on the port, another one up at the helm, and we've got USB ports at the transom, inside the cockpit, and then again at the bow. So we got plenty of charging stations for electronics all throughout the boat. This boat does have a folding tower if you're going to be in a boat lift or a dry stack that has some storage constraints. It's also loaded up with the Fusion tower speakers with their own separate amp. This thing's got a booming sound system. As we move up to the helm, we're going to see 2 7-inch displays on the dashboard, touchscreen SIMRAD units, which will have all of your boat and engine data, as well as your GPS and sonar as well. This boat is equipped with a full marine head right here with overboard discharge. It also has a filler in here to complete that space, put some cushions down, and you've got a place for the kids to take a nap. As we move forward to the bow, you're going to see some great comfortable seating. Sea Ray is known for nice deep seating that surrounds you, so you feel very safe and comfortable when underway. The boat's equipped with a windlass with manual controls or remote controls up at the bow and then also at the helm station. Also, there's 2 teak bow tables on this boat, one here, one for the cockpit as well. So it's a great place to entertain. If you've got any questions or would like to take a sea trial, get some more information, please give me a call at 904-545-5310.